All right, picture this. You are bidding a $30,000 custom backyard oasis. You pull up to the client's pristine driveway with a trailer full of dead brown shrubs and an oil leak dripping from your mower. You wouldn't do that. But that's exactly the energy your Google business profile is giving off when you have the wrong photos or no photos at all. So, profiles with photos get 35% more clicks and 42% more direction requests. So, your photos are not decoration, they're how customers decide if you're the one to call. Okay, here's what most people don't realize photos aren't just for customers, they're a ranking signal. Google tracks what they call profile activity, how often you update your profile with posts, photos, and Q&A. Profiles that refresh their photos at least every 90 days earn roughly 22% more engagement than stagnant listings. And profiles with fresh photos gain about 27% more discovery impressions. That last one is huge, 27% more discovery impressions. That's people finding your business who weren't even searching for you by name. They searched electrician near me and Google showed them your profile. That's the power of an active, photo rich profile. And yet, only 52% of businesses have uploaded at least 10 photos. Half the competition is leaving clicks on the table. That's your opportunity. So, let me show you exactly what to upload and what's going to get you in trouble. Before you upload anything, know the rules. Because if you upload a photo and it gets stuck in pending for weeks, it's probably because you broke a spec. Format. So JPEG or PNG only, no PDFs, no HEIC files from your iPhone. So the file size needs to be between 10 kilobytes, that's KBs, and 5 megabytes. If your photo is too small, it's junk. If it's too big, Google won't take it. So the resolution, absolute minimum is 250 by 250, but you really want it to be 720 by 720 and up because you want your customers to be able to see what's in that photo. So your cover photo, this is the big one at the top of your profile. You want this to be 1024 by 576, a 16 to 9 ratio. JPEG or PNG. That's from Google's own recommendations. If you don't set a cover photo, Google picks one for you, and it might be a customer photo of your dumpster. Set your cover photo. And just a side note, they don't always show your cover photo as your cover photo. You can keep trying, keep uploading it, or you can just let Google pick your cover photo, but I don't know, keep trying. If you upload videos, which I highly recommend, up to about 30 seconds long, no more than 75 megabytes, and then 720p or higher. So you want that to be, that medium to high resolution. So a quick walkthrough of your shop, a 30-second project highlight. You don't need a production crew. Just make it, simple and real and what you're actually doing on a day-to-day basis. And here's a rule most people miss. Photos have to represent reality. No significant alterations, no excessive filters. Google says the image should represent reality, so keep the Instagram filters off of your GBP photos. All right, here's the core. Every local business needs 5 types of photos on their profile. Miss one, and you're leaving clicks on the table. Number 1, exterior photo. This is your digital curb appeal. Customers use this to find you when they pull up. Show your storefront, your building, your signage, clear daytime shot, no cars blocking the view, no garbage cans. If you work from home and your address is hidden, show your branded vehicle instead. Same purpose, it proves you're real. Number 2, an interior photo. People want to know what it looks like inside. If you're a contractor, show your workshop or your organized truck. If you're a parts house, show the front reception counter. It builds trust. They're picturing themselves doing business with you. Number 3, this one I like. Team photo. Put a face to the business. Customers want to know who's showing up. A clean, friendly team photo, even if the team is just you, makes you human. Profiles with people photos simply feel more trustworthy. If you have a really distinct uniform or shirt that all your service techs wear, this is a great opportunity for people to know who's going to be coming to their house just by the look. All right, number 4, product or service photos. Show your work. Before and after shots are gold for home service businesses. Finished projects, Products on shelves, equipment in action. This is the stuff that convinces someone to click call instead of scrolling to the next profile. Number five, your logo. This is your brand. Use your actual business logo, JPEG or PNG. It helps customers recognize you across Google Search, Maps, and everywhere else. Now, one tip Google says you should post at least one new photo every 7 days. That's ideal. If that sounds like a lot, just make it a habit. Finish a job, snap 2 photos, upload them from your phone. 30 seconds, it compounds. Okay, this is important because uploading the wrong photos can actually hurt you. Do not upload stock photos. Google can tell the difference between a real photo of your business and a stock image of a smiling plumber you downloaded. Customers can too. Stock photos scream, I'm hiding something. Use your own photos every time. Do not upload screenshots. No screenshots of your website, no screenshots of your reviews or of your phone. These look terrible, and Google often rejects them as low quality. Don't upload photos with watermarks or heavy text overlays. A small watermark is sometimes okay, but if your photo looks like a billboard ad, giant phone number, prices, arrows, Google will reject it. The photo section is for photos, not ads. Do not upload duplicate photos. Uploading the same photo twice doesn't help. Google removes duplicates. Quality over quantity. Don't ignore customer uploaded photos. Customers can add photos to your profile. Check them regularly. If someone uploaded a blurry shot of your messiest corner, you can request removal. Keep an eye on it. And one more, don't upload photos with people's faces visible without permission. If you're showing a client's project, blur out license plates and faces unless you have permission. Privacy does matter. Okay, here's how to actually upload and manage your photos. So open your Google Business profile, whether that's on desktop or on the app on your phone. You just click photos, add photos, select them, and upload. It's really that simple. And just know your newest photos will appear first. It can take 24 to 48 hours before they show live. If a photo is stuck in pending, it's either still processing or your profile isn't verified. So once you've verified, photos usually clear pretty quickly. To remove a bad photo, open Photos, scroll to the photo, click the trash icon, confirm, it's gone. Now, here's a little clever SEO trick. SEO, remember, is search engine optimization. So you name your photo files before you upload them. So instead of that generic iPhone IMG underscore big string of numbers, name it Kids app, electrician truck. Google reads file names. This is a tiny SEO advantage most businesses ignore. And here's a bulk tip. If you have 10 or more locations, Google supports bulk photo uploads through spreadsheet. But for most of you with one location or maybe 2 locations, just use the app. It's the fastest way. Let me leave you with this. Google is watching how recently your profile had new activity. I mentioned the 30-day freshness window in my video about service areas, and it applies to photos too. If you go more than 30 days without a new photo, post, or review, your visibility starts to dip. So make this a habit. Every Friday, upload one photo. Job site, finish new project, new team member, new equipment. Doesn't have to be fancy, just has to be real and recent. 52 photos a year. That puts you ahead of most of your competitors without even trying hard. And here's the payoff. Profiles with 15 or more photos see consistently stronger engagement across clicks, calls, and direction requests. 15 photos, that's the benchmark. Count yours right now. If you're below 15, that's your first action item. And contractors, I know you have more than 15 photos sitting in your camera roll right now that could go online this second. So here's the bottom line. Photos aren't optional. They drive clicks, calls, and direction requests, exterior, interior, team, product shots, and your logo. Those 5 are your foundation. Upload one new photo a week, hit 15 photos minimum. Keep it real, no stock images, no heavy filters, no screenshots. And if you want me to look at your profile and tell you exactly what photos you're missing, I offer free audits. Just let me know. Drop a comment. What's the one photo that you know your profile is missing right now? I'm Gail with Map Your Biz. Go do one thing from this video right now. Your business will thank you for it. See you next time.